Hello again. Problem number 7 of Unit 7 review. Systems of equations. All right. Number 9. Let's read it out loud. All right. A store sells white scarves and red scarves. A white scarf costs $6. A red scarf costs $10. On Monday, the store sold 15 scarves for a total of $130. What is the total number of red scarves that the store sold on Monday? So we need to identify the variables that represent a white scarf, which is very easy to do, right? So let's call W representing white scarves. Okay, and R representing red. All right, there. Okay, and we need to come up with a couple of equations. Okay, the equations normally, okay, the first equation or the second, it doesn't matter, pertains to value. Okay, and the second one pertains to quantity. So if you look at this, W represents the quantity of white scarves and R represents the quantity. So we can quickly write an equation that says, okay, W plus R equals to 15, all right? That's quantity. In terms of dollar sign or dollar value or number, we say the price of white scarf is 6 times quantity, which is W, plus $10 is the cost of the red scarf times quantity, which is R, equals to $130. There you go. All right, so now it's up to you whether you want to solve this using a substitution or elimination. I suggest that we use elimination to solve it because it's quicker. If you do substitution, that's okay too. But with substitution, you're going to need to make one of the variables on the first equation, okay, alone, right? Second equation, there you go. However, if you multiply the first equation by 6, right? If you multiply the first equation by 6, guess what happened? Okay, you will have 6W on both of the equations. All right, so let's do that. So if I multiply 6 times W, all right, I'm going to have 6W. So when you multiply an equation by a certain number, you have to distribute, okay, that number that you multiply by to all of the terms in the equation. So distribute it to W, you distribute it to R, you distribute it to 15 on the other side of the equation. All right, so let's go back and continue distribution. 6 times R is positive 6R. All right, and 6 times 15 is 90, right? All right, now look at this 2 equation. This is still the first equation that we manipulated. All right, so now we have 2 equations here. All right, and the W terms the same, exactly the same. All right, so if you have 2 numbers that are the same, if you want to get rid of them because they have the same sign, okay, you reduce. That's what we learned, right? Reduce. All right, so if we reduce them, if you subtract, this will cancel. And then you say, all right, 10R minus 6R is 4R. All right? And now look at this. 130 minus 90, okay, equals to 40. Right? So now we should be able to find R by dividing by 4, divide by 4. Okay, so R equals to 10. Okay? Now, let's look at the problem again. Let's read it. Okay? The last phrase, what is the total number of red scarves that the store sold on Monday? Well, we got R already. We don't need to find W. So since it's asking for R, so the answer should be D, 10. All right? Sounds good. Thank you. Bye.